Hi folks, in today's episode, just as a reminder, we are no doctor or have any kind of medical qualifications. We're not telling you to do this. This is just something that we do. Thank you. Hello everybody, hope everybody's doing well today. What we're going to be doing here on this little episode here is we're going to be picking flowers off the mullein plant. You can pick them off, put them in a jar, and then just dry them just a little bit. Carolyn will be using a dehydrator, but if it's not real humid where you're at, you can lay them out there on a sheet there in the sun. Just let the water get out of them, so when you add the oil to it, the oil don't become rancid. And what you do, you'll take your flowers there, leave them in a jar after you got them dried, pour in some olive oil, and after 4 to 6 weeks, you'll have an ear oil. And what it does, it's an antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and also it's a little bit of a pain thing there. It's perfect for eardrums. Just make sure your eardrum isn't punctured, or you've got, like that there, and then just put a couple drops in your ear. But no, when this plant is flowering, all the energy is being moved to them flower petals there, and you just put them in a jar, and then when you dry them up there, it'll make a good ear oil. And this oil is also good, from what we was told, if you have eczema or inflamed skin, dry cracked skin. It's real good for that, so we've been told. I've always been bad for earaches throughout the years from the time I was little. There's been a number of times I wish I had some of this stuff. It's almost like popcorn on those little flowers. Careful, Doug, don't fall off into the road. Pay attention. Alrighty. Now, just sprinkling those flowers out on a dehydrator tray. And Carolyn said they did it for a couple hours, just till the flower gets a little crisp. Alrighty, there's some of them in oil. We'll let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks. Folks, if you stayed with us this long, I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you would, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Hit the little bell notification. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you.